Pumpkin.
Oh, how is my darling? How is my darling? Pumpkin, come on. Come.
Come, Pumpkin.
Come on, come.
Come.
Come, Pumpkin. Come here, sir. Come here. Oh, Pumpkin's coming. Pumpkin's coming, my lovies. Oh, my beauty. Oh, my beautiful cat. Will you come on, yeah? Come in, my beauty. Honey, Gazelle. Honey, beauty. I miss my pumpkin. I miss my darling. Pumpkins. Pumpkins. How are you? How are you, my beautiful cat?
Pumpkin. Come. My orange beauty. Pumpkin's friends.
Pumpkin's neighbor. Pumpkin's neighbor always lay nearby him. Что? Пойдем. Pumpkin. Come to mommy. Yo, you pump, show. With you pump, oh, you my lovies. Oh, you my lovies. I knew my dad.
Hearing Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Oh, you pumpkin. Pumpkin, you guys. I need massage to my darling. Need beauty massage to my pumpkin. Need beauty massage to my cat. Look to his tail. Need beauty.
So beautiful fluff tail.
How is beautiful cat?
Look the whiskers. How long?
Long white whiskers. Long white whiskers.
Whoops. Kissing subscribers.
One more neighbor. Oh, so Pumpkish. Pumpkish wants love. Pumpkish wants love. Cattish wants love, my kitty. Come you two. Come you
Pumpkin's
two.
friends.
Pumpkin's neighbors. Yes, you are also good. Mwah, nice, sweet couple. Oh, a nice, sweet couple. Oh, you my pumpkin. Oh, mwah, mwah. So cute cats. I love them.
They are friends.
Pink nosy, pink beauty, pink nosy. No, you good. No, you my darling, to my darling.
Hang with these beauties, huh?
Yes, Pumpy, come on.
Pumpkin, come.
Pumpy. It's nice.